Hello and welcome. This is Angie with thecountrysheetcottage.net. So today's video is sponsored by Xyron. However, all projects and opinions are my own. So projects, what are we going to make today? We are going to make this cute gnome banner for all your Christmas decor, and I have a free gnome SVG for you to cut out. So what are you going to need? So you're going to need some products from Xyron. So you're going to need a sticker maker from Xyron. So I'm going to use, I think, this 1.5 inch. They make a 3-inch. These are disposable sticker makers. You can also, perhaps you're more familiar with the X sticker maker. So this is a refillable sticker maker. The size I made my gnomes will actually fit in this version as well. So the size is going to depend on how big you make your gnomes for your banner, and you can size those once you import them into your Cricut. You'll also need the Xyron Mega Runner, which is an adhesive on a roll that we're going to use as well. So let's get started on our project first of all. Now, if you're wondering where the free SVG is, I'm going to drop a link for that in the description below, so you can head there, jump on over and grab the free SVG, and then start cutting your files. If you don't know how to use an SVG with your cutting machine, you can also find a link in the description below as well as for how to use those. If you have questions, you can always drop those below as well. So let's get started making our project. To make this project, you'll need white, red, and some kind of tan cardstock. You'll also need your Xyron adhesive. So I'm going to be using these disposable units. You could also use a Xyron Creative Station. And then you'll need a Xyron Mega Runner. And now you're going to need some type of furry yarn. So this is a fur yarn. You can see that it's really furry and fuzzy. And then you'll need some baker's twine. I'm going to use green and white. So the first thing we're going to do is cut our pieces from our cardstock. So you can find the free gnome SVG on thecountrysheetcottage.net, and I'll drop a link for that in the description below. So I used that and I uploaded it to my Cricut machine, and I cut out enough gnomes for a banner. So the gnome has 5 pieces. So you have the main piece, the hat, the beard, the top of the hat, and the nose. So the nose is what's out of the tan cardstock, the hat top and the beard are out of white, and the main base and the hat are out of red. In this case, you can actually do this in any color you like. So for each of your gnome pieces, you want to start with the base piece, and then we want to run the hat piece as well as the beard through the disposable sticker maker. Now you just push the items in one side, pull the adhesive from the other side, and I'm also going to stick through a nose and the top of the hat while I have it. So you can string pieces together like this and it will save on adhesive somewhat. And we'll just pull all those pieces through, and then there's a serrated edge on the back, so we can just use that to tear. Then you want to rub the pieces well, and then peel back this top piece. Now each of these pieces is a sticker, so there's an adhesive fully on the back side of each of these pieces. So what we want to do is stick them to our main base. So we're going to start with the beard portion. We're going to put that in place on our gnome. And then we'll do the hat. And this you want to start at the bottom, go to the top, and sandwich the baker's twine in between these two pieces. So this is going to be what holds it onto our banner. So just be sure that the baker's twine piece is going in between the base and the hat. And then we can go ahead and add the top piece for the hat. Now before we add this nose, let's add some fun to our gnome. So this is a fuzzy yarn. What we're going to do is use our Mega Runner this time on the front of this white piece and just put a bunch of adhesive down. And I find it takes about 2 layers of this, so we're going to do 1 layer on the bottom and just a short piece, and we can just trim that with scissors. Now we'll trim this up once it gets on our gnome, so right now you're just covering up the white with some of this fuzzy yarn. And then we'll do a second run around the top. Press it down well and cut it to size. Now you can use your scissors to trim up this hair until it's a beard-like shape. And once you're happy with the look, I'll just take this nose piece, peel it off the backing, and stick it over the top of the hair and slightly on that red hat. And there we have one gnome done for our banner, and we'll just continue making gnomes until our banner is complete. Alright, and I just kept making those gnomes and came up with my cute little gnome banner that's all ready for my Christmas mantle. So if you love gnomes, you're going to love this SVG file and you're going to love this project. So be sure to pick up the SVG, pick up your Xyron, either a disposable sticker maker or even your big creative station. Run those pieces through there. It makes it super simple to stick those together and make your banner in no time at all. So thank you all so much for joining me today. If you have any questions about anything we've done today, please ask those in the comment section below. Love this video? Give us a thumbs up. If you have not, you should definitely head on over to our YouTube channel and subscribe. We have Cricut crafts every week like this one, and so you're sure to love all of our videos. So thank y'all so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next week with another fun video. Thanks y'all. Bye-bye.